We went to the capital.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Shiawassee County, Michigan. Effective until 7:05 p.m. the National Weather Service in Detroit/Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for southern Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hazlet, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Perry, Morris, Owasso, Bancroft, Corunna, Durand, and Lennon. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.